Hello guys, welcome to the answers of those questions which I posted a while ago. The questions commonly asked during interviews, promotional assessment. Number one question is purifier. What is interface? Interface is the region between the light phase, which is the oil, and the heavy phase, which is the water. What are the factors that affect the position of interface? Viscosity, density, temperature, and flow. Number three is explain what is clarifier and purifier. The clarifier separates liquid and solid. The purifier separates liquid and liquid, so water and the oil. Explain the separation temperature. This temperature, the difference between both oil and the other sediments and the water are bigger. That is why we have to maintain at this temperature, because as long as the analysis gives you this separation temperature, and you have to maintain that, because at this temperature your purification is effective. What is the function of Mitsubishi pilot bulb? I have a lot of vlogs on this, especially here in YouTube. I have exclusive video for this, how the thing works, and I have also posted on my Facebook, and just visit all those videos, guys. Number 7, what is the function of Alfa Laval bulb plug? It is the one that is holding your closing water drain passage. It is held by the spring because of the spring tension. By the time water is injected, that bulb plug will be having a clearance. This closing water will be drained off, and thus it triggers discharge. In any clarifier and purifier, explain the reason why opening water pressure is always higher than closing water pressure. Yes guys, there are 3 models that are very famous for purifiers and clarifiers. Why is it the opening water pressure is high? Because opening water pressure has to overcome something. In Alfa Laval, water should be high because it must overcome the spring tension that is holding the bulb plug. For the Mitsubishi, it should overcome the centrifugal force that is acting on the pilot bulb sliding piston. And for the Westphalia, it should overcome the weight of the annular piston that is holding the closing water chamber. Number 9, how to select a correct size of gravity desk. Okay, we can find it in the nomogram. And number 10 is, what size of gravity desk do you use when we are using high specific gravity? When you have high specific gravity as compared to the last fuel that you use, which is comparatively low than we are currently using, so you have to use the smaller inside diameter. When you also have a lower specific gravity, and you have to use the bigger inside diameter of gravity desk. You can always confirm that in the nomogram. If you want, I will post a video for that exclusively for the nomogram. And number 11, explain the reason why current is high during starting, dislodging, and purifier bowl leaking. And actually, current will also be high when you have mechanical issues. And what's the reason of that? Because just think that current always represents the load of our purifiers. During starting, when you have purifier which is at rest, it's very hard to turn for the motor, and of course it induced current just to turn your purifier. During dislodging, guys, dislodging means your purifier has already been running and you want to open the valve. Remember, during operation, when the valve opens, it gives more weight to turn for the motor. It will induce more current in order to maintain a speed. When purifier is running, when you have valve that is open, it gives more load to your motor. Hence, purifier current will be high. Load is directly proportional to the induced current, guys. Remember that. And even when your valve leaks, of course, valve is open and it gives an additional load again for your motor to turn your purifier. It's very simple. Okay, when it is known that the next fuel to be used is dirty, what countermeasures to treat the fuel? You have to reduce the dislodging period, and you have to reduce the feed rate in order for the oil to be cleaned nicely. And you have to run 2 purifiers to cater the consumption, parallel or series depending on what arrangement you have on board. The purpose of that is don't ever put dirty oil to your service tank because we feed it to the main engine and generator. What is the function of a friction pad? Actually, the function of a friction pad is just the clutch, just to protect our motor from overloading because it provides slippage when it is still hard to turn. This is for the protection of your motor to avoid motor running in an overload condition, prevent it from failure. When purifier just overhauled, what checks do you consider when your purifier valve is not closing? Of course, you have to check the closing water passages. You have to check, let's say Mitsubishi, be careful with pilot valves. If you change with new O-rings, make sure your O-rings are well exercised, and you have to do a lot of exercise to make sure that piston is free to move in and out because of the centrifugal force and because of the opening water. And for alpha valve, your valve plug, make sure if you changed it was not fixed upside down, make sure the correct position because remember, valve plug holds the closing water. If you have problem with valve plugs, your water will get drained and you cannot ever close the valve. For the Westphalia, you have to check the annular piston and the closing water passages, guys. And of course, you have to check all those friction pads, belt or friction pad. So you just focus on that items, guys.